Good morning, guys. Good morning, YouTube family. How are you guys? I hope everyone is doing awesome. Wow, beautiful sunrise. And trust me, guys, it's amazing weather every Sunday whenever I'm out. And this is the kind of weather I get to see, and it's a beautiful feeling.
Onto Powder, National Highway 44.
It's a beautiful feeling, honestly. And yes, I depend on the Google Baba. Yesterday, some few of my co-partners and few of my friends, we were talking, and we came on to a subject where people were talking about ये क्यों ऐसा है, ये क्यों वैसा है, why things are happening like this, why people are dying, why things are not going well. It's been so long and still the same scenario keeps on going, and the second wave of coronavirus has hit India in a very bad way. So I was just telling them, it's a pandemic, you know it very well. You have to have a good immune system to pass this stage of, because basically it attacks you, and it affects your immune system, and that's the way you become weak, and that's the way things get bad for you. So I was talking about acceptance, but when see, there are two things: acceptance and non-acceptance. Now, the faster you accept the situation, what is going on in this world, across the world, across the globe, in India and all, wherever it is, acceptance to what is happening, acceptance to do the required, what is required by what is told to all of us, maintaining a social distance. But where do you see it? People get affected with situations, and then they just tell, oh my god, now it has come to me, this has happened. And I'm honestly telling you this, that because I have gone through it. I have gone through COVID, and not once. So I can tell you one thing for sure. I know for sure, when I was attacked this time also, when I was on the bed for almost 3 days, I was out of track. I was not in my zone also. I did not know what exactly is happening with me. What should I do? I did not know any damn thing. But I had the acceptance of, yeah, this is there on me. I have got affected. But the main thing is, that if you got affected, now you have to bypass the stage. You cannot do anything other than fight it and win it. And that will come only when you have a positive mindset. If you start listening to newses, you start listening to people, you start listening to what's happening around you, how people are dying, this will not help you at all. But what can help you is basically what you are going to think about. How are you going to keep your mindset in peace? So that actually helps a person. And in all this times when I have gone through hard times, and even when I was affected by COVID, I did not think about, oh my god, right? I was praying, yes, I was asking for Almighty's mercies and blessings for me to surpass this stage, but I was not worried that what will happen to me, because when you start worrying and you stop believing what, see, God has made us in a very unique format. We have, as a human being, you have lot in you to fight anything in this world, but main thing is how do you fight and how do you win, because that only defines your mindset and helps you to conquer anything, right? So your immune is important, yes, and with that, even if you are a bodybuilder or you are a fitness person, don't think that you cannot die because of this thing. But if you are strong with your mindset and you can fight with positive energy, I don't think so anything can defeat you. I don't agree to people who say no, it is, you are just telling because you were lucky or you were one among the people who was able to fight this. No, let me tell you one thing. The death rate is very, very less to the people who are affected. Many people have survived, and even for the people who have weakness, elderly people, and even young, I have seen young fitness freaks who have actually lost the battle of fighting this COVID-19. But why? You know, the weakness comes within a human mind, with the negative energy and negative vibes across you. So always keep your mindset in the best frame, and to keep your mindset in the best frame is only what you have to do is only one thing. You need to surround yourself with the right people. वो कहावत सुने हो, राइट? संगत और सोबत. जिस संगत में रहेंगे और जिस सोबत में रहेंगे और जिस एनवायरनमेंट में आप ऑक्सीजन लेंगे, राइट, एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ people you associate, that is the way you will start thinking. Now I associate with different kinds of people because of my business and because of my relationships, because of my passion. I deal with a lot different types of people, but I know when to cut, what to cut, and why to cut. And whenever I'll just give an example. Whenever somebody talks to me,
Turn left onto Embassy Square.
whenever somebody talks to me about anything which I think can disturb my mindset, right, I either excuse myself, move out.
Square Main Road, then turn right onto Service.
Why? A simple reason. I'll tell you a simple reason. Because I cannot tell people to shut up. I cannot tell people that, hey, listen.
Turn right onto Service Road.
I cannot tell people, बाबा तू क्या बोल रहा है, क्यों ऐसी बातें कर रहा है, right? But I can always distance myself and stop listening.
Turn left onto New Horizon College Road.
Stop listening to them and protect my mind frame, my energies from these people. And are these people wrong? I will not tell you these people are wrong. They are the product of with whom they associate with, वो किस संगत में है और किस टाइप के लोगों के साथ उठते बैठते हैं, because that only defines how they are, what is going on in their thought process, what they are talking about. Because whatever they are talking about, it is all about your surroundings, right? that is only what you will start talking and communicating with people. And this comes with, I tell you this because once upon a time I used to talk all nonsense, okay? Pulling people, making people look small, let it be friend circle, let it be anything, right? Talking to people and discouraging people, not pushing and encouraging people. You know what happens is, you might be talking, telling people things, but you don't know how that can affect people in the wrong sense, because our small joke at that particular moment can make a blueprint into somebody's life, and they can get hurt, and you will not even know it, you will not even realize it. And that's something which is very, very dangerous, guys. Very dangerous. So when you talk good, you associate with people and push them to do what they are finding difficult. This is making a little difference, and it does not cost you, guys. It does not cost you. Zero cost. एक पैसे का कॉस्ट नहीं आता है आपका, खाली only your mouth speaking to somebody and encouraging them to do something which they are finding it maybe difficult, and maybe you know something about it, and show them the path. Encourage people and try to make difference in people's life, because that's something which is a blessing. Actually, it's a blessing, because when you help people, right, even Almighty God helps you. And when you allow somebody to believe in themselves and you do the same, you believe in yourself. And what is, about belief, I can tell you one thing. When the entire world stopped believing in me, right, stopped believing in me, and that was the time I pushed myself to believe in myself. चाहे पूरी दुनिया आपका साथ छोड़ डालो, okay? Let the world leave your hand. Let the world, पूरी दुनिया, if they stop believing you, right, it's okay. Trust me, it's okay. But you don't stop believing in yourself. You don't stop believing in yourself, because you are unique, and that will empower you to have that happiness and the strength to fight. And when you believe in yourself, right, and impossible things start turning tables and starts happening, because if I don't stand for myself, who will stand for me? The world will never stand for you, and you need to be very clear about this. दुनिया आपके साथ नहीं खड़ी होने वाली है. वो तो ताने कसेगी, बोलेगी चीज़ें, क्या ये नहीं हो सकता, वो नहीं हो सकता, ये नहीं कर सकते, वो नहीं कर सकते, ये करेंगे तो ऐसा होगा, वो करेंगे तो वैसा होगा. दुनिया बोलते रहेगी, ओके? और उसको, वो सोच को आप बदल नहीं सकते. You cannot change, I cannot change. People came to change the world, but you can do one thing. You can change yourself. But that will happen with your belief structure. Belief onto you. Why? Because you're unique. You're special. You are the only one person. Can you, just a simple question, right, guys? Can you find somebody exactly like you? Can you find? No, right? आपने अपने जैसा कोई बंदा देखे हो ज़िंदगी में जो आपके जैसा सोचता हो, आपके जैसा करता हो, right? I'm not talking about people looking the same, but have you seen anyone same as you, as a human being, who thinks like you, who acts like you, who does things like you? Have you seen? No. Why? Because God has created every human being unique. So you are unique, and believe in that self. Believe in that.